Communication plays a very important role in personal and professional life. If you're a good communicator, you can turn haters into admirers and admirers to followers. But if you don't know how to communicate effectively, then an ardent follower will also turn a hater. In this video, you'll see a list of 11 books that will help you to improve your communication skills and achieve greater personal and professional success. Hi, I'm Jayesh, and this is Books for Hustlers.
Every motherfucking
If this is your first time here, Books for Hustlers shares book recommendations of some of the most successful entrepreneurs that ever walked our planet. If that sounds interesting to you, then please consider subscribing. In this video, some books will help you with your personal communication, some will help you with your professional communications, and some will help you with body language communications. Just pick a book which resonates your goal and start your journey of being the best communicator you can ever be. With that being said, here's the list of 11 best communication books of all time. Book number 1, How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Written in 1936, Dale Carnegie's How to Win Friends and Influence People is a timeless treasure. This book will teach you the principles to better understand people, become a more likable person, improve relationships, win others over, and influence behavior through leadership. The book is a reminder that people will accept your advice, act on your recommendations if they like you and if they believe you like them. They will not follow you based solely on your leadership positions or your rank in an organization. If there is only one book we have to recommend, then this will be it. Book number 2, Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi. Never Eat Alone by Keith Ferrazzi highlights the importance of cultivating mutually beneficial relationships and makes strong case for how those relationships can propel one to extraordinary success. In this book, Ferrazzi not only tells you what to do, he walks readers through how to do it. This book shares several practical tips for cultivating relationships and shares powerful anecdotes that, if implemented, can change one's life. Book number 3, Words That Work. It's not what you say, it's what people hear by Frank Luntz. To effectively obtain the power of communication, you must learn that it's not always what you say, but how you say it. Frank offers sound advice on how to tactically use words and phrases to get what you want in life. This book will teach you how to go beyond your own understanding and look at the world from your listener's point of view. Book number 4, Crucial Conversations, Tools for Talking When Stakes Are High by Al Switzler, Joseph Grenny, and Ron Macmillan. Crucial Conversations will teach you how to avoid conflicts and come to positive solutions in high-stake conversations so you can be effective in your personal and professional life. Crucial Conversations is a roadmap to have difficult but necessary conversations in the workplace and at home. If you're seeking to improve your social skills or communicate unpleasant information, Crucial Conversations is a must-read. The fact is, most of us are coached not to tell the truth, so training in this area is highly beneficial. Before we see the rest of the books, I would like to remind you that now you can listen to any of your favorite books on audible.com. To hustlers like you, Audible is giving 30 days free trial where you can enjoy any one audiobook for free. To sign up for the 30-day free trial, use the first link in the description. Book number 5, Leadership Presence by Belle Linda Halpern and Kathy Luber. In Leadership Presence, authors make their time-tested strategies available to everyone, from high-profile CEOs to young professionals seeking promotion. Their practical, proven approach will enable you to develop the skills necessary to inspire confidence, command respect, build credibility, and motivate others. This book will teach you how to integrate your personal values into communication to inspire others and become a more effective leader. Book number 6, The 4 Agreements by Don Miguel Ruiz. In The 4 Agreements, Don Miguel Ruiz reveals the source of self-limiting beliefs that robs us of joy and creates needless suffering. Based on the ancient Toltec wisdom, The 4 Agreement offers a powerful code of conduct that can rapidly transform our lives to a new experience of freedom, true happiness, and love. The 4 Agreement is a must-read for everyone seeking enlightenment and restoration in relationships. To sum up, the 4 agreements are: take nothing personally, be impeccable with your words, don't make assumptions, and always do your best. Book number 7, Skill with People by Les Giblin. This book, originally written in 1968, has sold over 2 million copies and has been translated in over 20 different languages. Whether you want to increase your communication skills at home, at work, or in any environment, this book will help you tremendously. Skill with People by Les Giblin goes over many practical tips to dealing with people, ranging from talking to them to making people feel important to critiquing some successfully to making a good impression. Book number 8, The Definitive Book of Body Language by Barbara and Alan Peace. The Definitive Book of Body Language teaches readers how to decode nonverbal communications and how to improve one's own body language to become an effective speaker and communicator. This book goes through all the different body parts. It shows what types of movements and languages people convey intentionally or unintentionally, and how you can interpret what a person is truly feeling just by looking at their body. Book number 9, Just Listen. Discover the Secrets to Getting Through Absolutely Anyone by Mark Goldstone. You may have the best idea, argument, or product, but if people are unwilling to listen, it doesn't matter. In this book, author lays out 9 core rules for getting through to anyone and then provide 12 quick and easy ways to achieve buy-in and get through. It's really about how do you get through people who don't want to hear what you have to say. Book number 10, Talk Like TED, The 9 Public Speaking Secrets by Carmine Gallo. Carmine Gallo's top 10 Wall Street Journal bestseller, Talk Like TED, will give anyone who is insecure about their public speaking abilities the tools to communicate the ideas that matters most to them, the skill to win over hearts and mind, and the confidence to deliver the talk of their lives. This book is somewhat focused on the Steve Jobs communication and presentation style. And book number 11, Always Know What to Say by Peter Murphy. Always Know What to Say is for anyone who wants a straight to the point explanation of conversation skills fundamentals. The book points out key distinctions you can apply right away to go from being tongue-tied and unsure of what to say to having fun meeting people and getting to know them better. This book is about breaking those large ice cubes that stop you from communicating with people. It is about initiating, making small talk, and even interesting conversations. Apart from these, there are several other great books on communication, but it's not possible to include all of them in one video. Hence, if you have read a book which has helped you to improve your communication, then please share it in the comment section. It might help others too. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and feel free to share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed yet, then please consider subscribing and check out other videos too. That's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.